on our way to the Laavu where we will sleep next night. We just arrived and the first thing we need to do is make a fire. Now our water is here next to fire and we are gonna wait until it's boiling. Little snack, we have honey butter and apaguette. Today for food we have sausages and eggs and bread. We have eaten now and let's sleep. Good morning. We just woke up and now we need to make a fire. Pitää kokeilla tämmönen pikku palikka.
Olaa kiinni.
Oho. Lähti silleen erillä tavallakin.
Oi, vorstikin.
Most of our waters freezed overnight, but we have enough water to do oatmeal. Now waiting for oatmeal, I have rye bread and honey butter. Our water is boiling now, so we are going to pour it to the plates. We don't have spoons, so we need to eat with knives. We have eaten and now it's time to go home. Bye bye our camp.